Okay, so all right, let's start with this question. It's okay. Mhm. A minute. Let me share this file. Okay, all right. So this one, question number 1. All right. Now, which of the following fractions is the same as 12 eighths? Now, when you see the word eighths, E-I-G, check you are seeing my sharing folder, right? Okay, about the question. If anything, do let me know. Any problem? Gerald can hear me or not, Gerald? Marissa can hear me? Can I? Gerald, give me thumbs up if you hear me. Thank you. Okay, so 1/8 means 1 out of 8. So if you have 12 eighths, that means 12 times of 8, 1/8 lah. So that means it's technically 12 over 8. So the following multiple choice, which one will give you 1 whole and 4/8? Have not? Don't have. So you change it to the simplest form, 1 over 12. Yeah. So option number, sharing folder. Funny, you didn't see my sharing folder. Okay, never mind. I redo. I see the share folder. Okay, okay. All right, give me thumbs up if you see my share screen. All right, good. Okay, just to anything wrong, quickly unmute yourself and let me know. All right. Okay, so 1.5 will be option B, right? Number 2, in the number line shown below, which one is the closest to letter A? So he's talking about in between 65 to 70. So if you were to break them into how many unit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 66, 67, 68, and 69. Why is it so? Because there are how many? 5 units. So 5, 70 minus 65, you get 5 units, right? So 5, you divide by 5 is 1. So 1 unit itself is 1. So you plus 1 plus 1. So it's in between 68 and 69. So anything 67 is wrong, right? So 67 is out. So it's 62 or 68.2 or it is 68.7, right? So this one is nearer to 68. So 68.2 is nearer. So C. If this is 68, then here probably like that. This is 68.7, very near to 69. Okay. Question number 3, 28 out of 40 students like chicken burger, while the rest of them like fish burger. So there are 40 students, which is the total. All right. And you split into 2 types of food. One is the chicken burger, which 28 of the students like it. And then the rest of them are fish burger. So you use 40 minus, this will give you 12. Okay. So find the percentage of the students who like fish burger. So I express them into fractional and multiply by 100%. Okay, so I reduce this to the simplest form, I will get 30% for this. Okay, let me check. Hello, Hui Hui. Is that Hui Hui? Sorry. Let me check. Hui Hui, you got time, you just key in the answers as well, huh? Okay. Because I didn't see yours also. Okay, next question. What is the difference, means minus, between this value and this value? Now, what is 1610? 110 is 10. 1610 must be 16 multiplied by 10, which will give you 116. Okay. Now, when this is 110, is 1 out of 10. So 1610 itself, it will be 16 out of 10. Okay, so 16 out of 10 will be actually equals to 1.6. So what is their difference? You use 160 to minus 1.6. You should get 159 for this case. Okay. Any problem with this? So far, okay, yeah? Question number 5. How many pairs of parallel lines? Okay, for this one, I put it into maybe darker green here. They are talking about parallel lines. Okay, if you talk about parallel lines, you must use ruler, okay? So let's see, where can you find it? Anyone else can help? Which and which are parallel? If you take a look. From here, you can see this A, B, and H, G, H. Yeah, A, B, G, H. We call them parallel lines. Okay, this one. Any others? Is this the only one? What others are parallel? If you take a look at E, F, CD, maybe CD here, take a look. And then EF. Okay, maybe EF, I'll lengthen it. Tell that this is parallel. Okay, any others that are parallel lines? There should be one more. Who can tell? Anyone can tell? D, E, and something else. If you take a look at, oh, sorry, which is, I give you the purple. Do you see F, G? This is the one. And DL here. So this is also parallel line. Okay, so maybe I write meter. Here. So there are how many pairs of parallel lines? 3 pairs. Okay. So probably this one you have to write down. All right. AB is parallel to GH. Right, that's one line. Then CD is also parallel to EF. And DE is parallel to FG. Okay, any question? If not, then I go to the next question, number 6. The figure is made up of a square and a rectangle. Find its perimeter. So a square will have 4 equal sides. which these are the 4 equal sides. So this one must be 3 cm. So this one must also be 3, and here is 12. Okay. And you have 3 cm here at the side. So in order to find its perimeter, we have 12 plus 3, which will give you 15. So you have 15 plus 3 plus 15 plus 3. Okay, and that will give you 36 centimeters for this question. All right. Then I stop a while to find out if everything is fine with everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wait, is everything okay? All right. Jaslyn, okay also, ah? Hello, Hao Chen. All good with you? Okay. Number 7, find the shaded area. Now, the shaded area refers to the blue one. Okay, so there are 2 ways you can do it. For this one, we can count the number of squares, all right? Or you want to use another method, which I can show you later. So I do this method 1 first. Method 1 will be this, counting the square. This is half plus half. It's called 1 unit, right? So this and this is also 1 unit. And this one is also 1 unit. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So plus here 4, plus here 5. So there are 5 squares shaded in total by counting. And 1 square itself will be 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. So after that, it will be 4 times 5. Correct, Marisa, you are right. Marisa, no. Daryl, yes, thank you. So you get 20. Sorry, why 20 here? C. Okay. Now there's another way. Probably I also want to remind students that there is this way of doing. Probably wait. I insert another blank one for you. Okay, so that you okay. Okay. Now, if you take the method 2 here at the page, I'll write here, please turn over. Okay, PTO stands for please turn over. Now, if it comes with a very odd shape, what can you do is to find this area first. Okay, which area? Let's take a look. You can find this area of purple. Okay, why is it so? Because you can have that so-called area of the triangle in purple first. Okay, so I color this in purple and then you find this area. Okay, so let's check. Okay, area triangle. So this one will be 4 by 2. Right, so 4 by 2, it will be 4 cm square. Okay, so there's another way you can do here. I can color this. Sorry, I changed to this color. Okay, so for this half and this one. Then this one also, because it's the same, right? So I just use the same color to identify this. All right, so this one is also half to 2. It will be 2 cm squared. And lastly, if I were to draw the other one, this will be look like this, right? So this one